Yeah, I got the iPhone 13 mini. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog.
Hi.
So we're actually in the Southern Cross station here. This is one of the largest, isn't it?
Yes.
The biggest train station in Victoria. We are going to get a new iPhone 13 mini for me today. This vlog is more about a trip from Melbourne city to the suburbs, which is like 14 kilometers in. So you've never been to the suburbs that much in Melbourne, right? I mean, in Victoria. And
After I came here, I
Yeah.
spent most of the time in
Here.
lockdown.
Yeah, so it was actually locked down. This is our first trip outside city limits.
Yeah.
I heard that they are not going to produce any more iPhone mini, so I just want to get it. And also, I'm seeing a lot of reviews online about iPhone 13 mini to be amazing. The only concern that I have is the battery life, so which we'll be testing. So stay tuned for the review and unboxing after this.
Now we're just waiting for our train. There's 5 minutes.
Alright, we are inside the train now. Oh, that's our apartment, by the way. Yep, so while we are actually taking this train ride, I thought I would talk to you guys about my iPhone journey. So I already have an iPhone 11 Pro Max here, and it's pretty good. It's been 2 years, exactly 2 years max. So what I did is I traded this iPhone for $660, which is not that great price point, but there's no hassle of finding a buyer and stuff. We just need to send it back to Apple. So that process I'll be explaining in some other video. He has an iPhone SE, which
That's the second generation.
yeah.
Still working fine. So
Is that a Canadian flag, Kyle?
it is.
Yes.
I only get a new phone when my old phone is not working. I've had my iPhone 5 for 5 years.
I never had an iPhone that time. My first iPhone was when I came to Melbourne. I bought that in the same building here, Melbourne Central. I do have the boxes from all that days. Hey, you remember walking through this way when we went to get Pocket 2? We walked through this way. Right.
Yeah, we walked along the track.
So are we taking the bus?
Huh?
Are we taking the bus? Okay. I'm not sure about the Sunday schedule. What Google says. In the meantime, for the ones who are curious about the whole process, here we go. Ah, 8 minutes. That was such a short bus ride, and we are here at the largest mall in...
Southern Hemisphere.
Yes, this is the largest mall in Southern Hemisphere or in Australia. And I don't know what to say. You guys can come in.
When was the last time you were here?
I think before the lockdown.
I was here 4 years ago.
Are you getting nostalgic, Kyle?
No.
Actually, you were visiting Melbourne, right?
Yeah. I think I was in Tasmania.
Oh, Tasmania, okay.
Here to visit my friends. Oh, just
Straight. The Apple Store is only for pickup.
Are you going to hit pick up an order?
Yeah, just to pick up, yeah.
Yeah. Do you have a QR code there as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. And as I look up that.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that's the size difference. That's the mini. Oh, that's the 13. Oh. Just got the midnight color iPhone 13 mini. I can't wait to get home. That took a while, and we are finally back at home, and the iPhone is ready to unbox. How do you want to join me? Oh wow, okay.
Ready?
Oh my god.
Put it right next to your.
Oh, look at the size
iPhone.
difference, guys. That's my 11 Pro and that's the new one. It's
Makes it
so small, like a baby.
toy now.
Yeah, it is.
That's
Oh wow, that's so small. I'll turn it on. Yeah. So that's Kyle's SC.
it's about the same size. The screen size is probably bigger because this doesn't have this bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, that's right.
Oh, it's Chinese there.
So that's the difference between 11 Pro Max and the new 13 mini. English, Australia. Okay. Oh, can you feel it? It's so light. Oh, the phone is showing set up new iPhone already. Continue. Finish on new. Okay. And the passcode of your other phone.
Is that how you set up Face ID?
Mm.
Look like I have some neck problems.
That is done. Transfer your data. Transfer from iPhone. Okay. Agree. Agree. I think that's gonna take a while. In the meantime, let's see what's in the box.
Okay, so we got a charging cable.
Removal tool.
Yep. That's it. That's all. Yeah. No earphones.
So what's your initial thoughts about this, Kyle?
It's very light.
It-
It doesn't feel like the screen is small.
It
still
doesn't,
a
right? Yeah, that's
decent
a
size, and it's super light. Like I said, it's a really good grip. I believe you'll drop it less.
that was one of the main problem I had with this phone because these edges are really slippery.
I haven't talked about the color yet.
Yeah.
Is it called midnight?
It says midnight. Yeah, it's like midnight.
It's a nice color. It's not just black.
Yeah, I don't know whether you guys can see it on the
looks-
camera. It's already a fingerprint magnet. It's fingerprint everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's these old phones.
So-
Say goodbye to
Yeah, so I'm just gonna
11 Pro.
send this back to Apple. That's the 11 Pro Max and that's a new
Trade-in.
phone. Okay guys, so that was a quick, it's like a vlog style unboxing of the iPhone 13 mini. More review video and video testings are coming soon, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be discussing more about the Australian cultural things and universities, and Kyle's gonna come with me to different university, especially the RMIT, Melbourne Uni and Monash. So we're just gonna make video on that as well. So I hope you guys like this video, so please stay tuned and subscribe. So I'll see you all later. Bye.